Hey guys, Gaston with Rough Country. Today we're installing our BA2 running boards. Let's get going. Here's what's included with the steps. Each side comes with 4 beefy mounting brackets. We've got our mounting plates and hardware to mount the steps to the brackets, as well as our hardware to mount the brackets to the truck. Our first step is going to be to install our brackets onto the truck. We're going to put it on the lift. Let's get going. All right, we're going to take the bolt, add a lock washer, add a flat washer, and now we can attach the bracket to the truck. Put the bracket in place, install our bolt into the factory location, thread it in, do the same for the bottom hole. We've got 3 more brackets on this side. They're going to go in the same way. Get this last one attached to the truck, and then we'll move on to installing the running board. Now I flipped our running board over to show you how the mounting plates go in. We're just going to drop them into the channel, bring them up. That way we can attach them to our brackets on the truck and bolt them down. This is also going to allow you to make sure that your running board is centered in the truck. Before you cinch this down, you'll be able to slide the board back and forth and dial it in. With our brackets installed on our running board, we can position the board on the truck. Take my mounting plate, set it in the channel like that, bring it over to my bracket, lift up slightly, drop it into place. I'm going to do that on all the brackets, and then we'll start positioning our step. All right, now we're going to slide it into place, get it exactly where we want to, and we'll cinch it down. And that's all it takes. The driver's side's going to install the exact same way. Let's get this off the lift so you can see just how good these BA2 steps look. Installation is a breeze. Minimum effort with maximum results. That's what you get with the BA2 steps. Available today at roughcountry.com.